Okay, and now to show you and test the water and ice maker. We've got pretty basic controls here. Light on, off, and then you can do cube or crushed. And this is the water side. Hold on, let me turn that light back on. You got your water side. And then we got the... I've still got it hooked up to everything here. Let me just bring that ice in. And it's only got a single load. So I've already got it moved out to the garage and everything, but I hooked it back up, and you can see that's the first batch of ice. It just dropped down in there. And then this is turned either on or off. By there it's off, there it's on, and this whole thing gets full here, and it auto shuts off. Of course, we get it all cleaned up and everything, but I wanted to take a second just to show you how important it is that you know, obviously, these things work. So there's that. We'll get the rest of it cleaned up, and I'll do the rest of the video to show you the temperatures and everything inside, but that way I can go ahead and disconnect everything on this. Alright, now I've got my temperature gun here. Whatever that red dot shines on, it's going to give you the surface temperature. It's a garage floor, so we'll shoot that right straight in there. Sitting about 40, and that's... Take a picture of that there. That's on the recommended setting. Of course, you could go a little colder than that for either or, but... And on the freezer side here, sitting about 8. Shoot it down a little lower, it's a little colder. And there again, that's on the recommended setting, so... There you have it. Now you know it does cool like it's supposed to on both sides. I've actually had it plugged up for about a week now, and I've been checking it. Everything checks out great on it. Of course, it went through its so many point inspection, and everything on it checks out. I'm going to get it cleaned up, and we'll finish this video by showing you it clean inside and out, and we'll go from there. Thank you. And one last thing I wanted to show before I unhook the water line is it went ahead and filled all the way up with ice. Works great. That ice, all that ice came in about 24 hours of having it hooked up to the water line. So just wanted you to see that that's a lot of ice, and it made it pretty quick. So from there, you'll be able to have all your ice dispensed very quickly from there. So there you have it. Okay, guys, and I have got it finished up. It's an excellent, like new condition. So everything's nice and clean, and I've already showed you that all that works. Ice maker, water dispenser, all of that works great. Got it nice and completely cleaned out head to toe. All the bins and everything's been sanitized, clean, and looks great. Same thing on the fridge side. You will need to get a new water filter, and I believe you can get those specific ones on Amazon 3-pack for like 15 bucks. It's much cheaper than going and getting them like from Walmart, although I think you can get them from Walmart too. So just wanted you to get a real good overall shot how nice and clean this is. And that little wrapped up down in there is extra water hose for the backside, so you could pull that through. But it's recommended to get a braided type of water hose when you hook up your water filter and ice maker and all that, but it's nice to know it's there in case you ever needed it. So there you have it. Nice, clean, you know everything works on it, you know it gets to temperature properly. You know, purpose of these videos is just so that you know when you spend your money, get this thing home, plug it in, everything's going to work like it's supposed to. So do appreciate you taking time to watch this video, and if you have any questions at all, please reach out and let us know. Thanks.